All right. We're pouring the pool deck and the patio right now, but we're putting aggregate on the pool deck because that's going to be pressure washed to expose the aggregate. So as you can see right here now, this is the second truck. This probably should be the last truck. And we get everything done. Okay, they're gonna start pumping it out a little bit. So the concrete comes. That's Dylan over there doing his thing. Yes.
This thing drop out. I don't blow the oil all over. I don't know if you can get a quarter oil for me. One behind come out in it.
Let me call Roger. Hold on. Let me check. It doesn't work now? Huh? It's not working now?
Yeah. It's being oil in the engine.
You don't.
Because it's dropped out, I don't have any oil here.
This is kind of. Call your dad and tell him to bring a quart of oil. Yeah, a quart of oil. I'm gonna let you guys see everything. This is the kind of stuff I'm talking about. We may have some. You got it? Is that good? Come on, man. Don't worry about it. He got it. We got it. So you guys see all the thing. I'm not cutting anything out. Is that enough? Is that enough? I'm gonna throw this thing in the garbage. Huh? I'm gonna throw this whole thing in the garbage. You should always have oil with you. Huh?
We'll take some more, but this is not a full bag.
It's not gonna work? Okay, let's go then. Let's go. What it looks like now before, how much you got in there now? Don't be adding water to my thing. How much you got in there now?
If you want it, because
what it looks like before you even do that. Let's see what it looks like. You always be acting like adding water to my stuff. I don't want to add that. Cut. Cut. Go ahead and cut. That's it. Hey, Frank, they already got it. But it's all right. That's all right. Yeah, let's go. That's it. That's it. All right, I'm gonna take you guys in the back. Hold the weather hose up. Okay, what we got over here? What you looking for? Pull get up, let's go. I need some over there, rock over there. Did we put some aggregate in here over here? On that with that little spot right there? Okay, put some aggregate over there for me, please.
I need to go out to buy some sink lamps. This is not gonna
work.
Come over here and take care of this. Come and take care of it. Let him do that. Yeah. Good. So you taking that off?
Yeah. Yeah, once I know it's kind of soft. Gonna walk this one out?
Huh?
Big fella's gonna walk this one out.
So we have no concrete in this area, you know, and you can use the door that's something. So it's gonna be a form of wood under right this. So the concrete, you know, it's gotta hang right here. Form this right here.
Yeah, but you don't want like when you.
There's gonna be no concrete in there, and this is gonna cover. Then you can put some regular concrete like for wood.
Right.
You know, so this is gotta be held like this, because you have to have this, the top of this.
Right.
And the same thing with this thing.
Put this inside,
Put it right here, put some wood right here, so it doesn't
Do you ever
go.
see clamp?
I know, I have to go buy it.
Yeah. There's an H marker right at the corner of Anderson
Nope.
and Prospect.
Close. It's
I
closed.
have got the Home Depot.
Yeah, this one's closed. It's like we're right at.
He said it's closed.
It's closed, Mom.
Oh, there's no.
No.
Where'd you go?
Y'all getting all the y'all getting all the skinny.
Power line and open.
Yes.
Power line and open.
Yeah, I just say this one, but this, now you want to go cross 95.
Frank, you have a saw here?
Let me show you something. Yeah, the thing is like,
Dylan, I need you guys over here. Dylan, I need you over here.
this is gotta be level.
Okay? I need this done here.
Then we work with the rings afterwards.
Then we can pour.
We need to have like this block. So there's nothing inside.
We'll make it work. We'll make it work.
So this is like, I put a stick lamp right here, this will be in place.
Okay.
Do me a favor. Mark on the wood where you need us to stop at. Mark on the wood where you need us to stop. Yeah. Mark. No. Mark on the wood because we're gonna move that out the way. Mark on the wood where you want us the concrete to stop.
No. I'd rather James. I'd rather you go get the C clamps because now we can pour right up to these and they're gonna be poured in here. And
No problem. I'm gonna focus on this right here.
okay. So we can C clamps and then we can pour.
Watch, so we hop up.
I'm gonna put the
We wash out in the upper, that's why it's so wet.
But then they're gonna have to box it.
But that gets,
Because otherwise the concrete's gonna go in
this
there.
is fixed, right? Yeah, yeah. So the concrete will come up from here, and then come under, and then come under, but we won't let it fill up.
Get some of the color ones and put it in there for me.
Okay, all right, Derek, we are gonna block it. We'll block it,
I'm
right?
gonna go back to the big plan.
We're gonna block it, right? Right?
Let him mark it for me, Marla. Let him mark it. All right, so we're pouring this all out here. This is construction. It's a lot of moving parts, a lot of conversation, a lot of time, but ultimately we're getting the job done. All controlled chaos, that's what it is. Texture. And what we've done is put an aggregate here. So
It's more complicated because I don't have the ring, and the steamer ring is high. Because when I put this is gotta be flush with that.
Cut that?
We're gonna keep on.
You might be able to start it with
so get the white ones, get the white rock, bring it all right here, okay? Get all the white ones here. Good. And then what this is gonna end up in, we're gonna pressure clean it and it's gonna show this pattern of walk
I
here.
can work the ring, cut the ring, and make it work nicer.
Right.
So I don't have no concrete around this area, so I'm able
Okay.
to do something.
So we marked the wood where it's gonna go on the
Okay.
side. What about
Get the white rock.
What's the rest?
where?
Same thing right here, they gotta block through, they gotta block this somehow. Not they, it had to be blocked. If I knew, I would have done that, but
Where's my pencil?
You worry about the green ones and the purple ones. Get the green and purple ones in.
I put this in place of this.
Yep. Just don't yeah, spread them out.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, just spread them out. Yeah.
So we'll leave that there, and we're just gonna put, we're gonna have to put some, wood blocking.
Okay. Yeah.
Do you have?
Yep.
Is there a saw in here? Get Karen.
Yeah.
There's the saw so we can cut wood, so we can put some little pieces of wood in there.
Yeah.
Yo, big man.